It's me, Fire Alarm Guy 13, and I'm back with System Test 7. It's been about 3 weeks since I've uploaded a system test, and I have many reasons. But you can see there's a little purplish light there because this is supposed to be the holiday test, and I was thinking of doing something New Year's, but I couldn't because of a certain situation that happened in the winter break, and I couldn't really upload at all. And so yeah, I'm just gonna upload this today. Today's January 6th, and a lot has happened today in America. That's what I'm gonna say. And I have this little holiday light thing just because I wanted to make it a holiday special. But I guess this is a very late holiday special, and I just have the light here for fun. So, got a 2400 here. You guys saw that in the unboxing video. I put on this thing that MIZ got, and it doesn't fit here for some reason. So that's unfortunate. I'll try to get it there again. And then we have the Edwards Pulse Station 278B1120, Cerberus Chime, I don't remember the model number, UEC S17 I think, Faraday F1 GT Chevron, and then a UMHU. This is my new fire alarm that I got with the 2400, UMHU 24M, UMHU MCSW I think, and then we have the Siemens CHH MCCR ceiling mount high candela, so it's very bright, and this is ZNS ceiling mount. Orange strobe. Got my Firelight BD12LR. Here's the inside. And then we have the FCI MS6 with the keys in it. Yeah. So the system is all normal. And I also have something else that I got before I recorded this test. I think I recorded this test like December 14th or something. I don't remember. I got Smoke Saver here. Since I have a smoke detector, and for my birthday I got a lot of Amazon gift cards, I decided to get some Smoke Saver with my Amazon money and some other things just for my room. And actually I want to do a walk test first, and then I'll do Smoke Saver activation, and then we'll turn the lights off and stuff like that. This is gonna be a cool test. So shoot. Alright. I actually changed the password on my MS10UD. I've defaulted it because it's really easy. I have to put my camera here before people get mad at me. Alright. So you go into 3 for walk test. You get your audible for the horns and strobes to go off. Now the units in walk test. So lock that. Oh, my camera's been zoomed in this whole time. That was bad. I'm not gonna re-record. Put the switch down, put your key back here. And this is very quiet. It's doing code 3. This one is louder in the ear protection, and that one is quieter. I don't really know how loud the ZNS is. I think it's like the equal levels of loudness, to be honest. And here's my Allen key somewhere. They are together, so I'm just gonna key activate this one. Put the switch down. That wasn't enough. Oh shoot, I just dropped my camera. Wow, that's gonna stay in the video. And then you saw it activated again because the zone was still in the alarm. And or another pulsation on that same zone activated. Alright. Also key activate this. And if I get the 2400, I'm just gonna let a thing to poke it. You'll see the chime will activate and the light will go on. So as you saw, the light went off, and then yeah. Firelight key. Just reset. I tried cleaning up my wiring a bit, honestly. Looks pretty cool. And the smoke detector's wired on zone 5. So, now it's time for the fun part. Smoke saber time. So let's go back a bit. Show you this in like 3, 2, 1. That was pretty cool. I think it activated fully. You gotta push your little thing here to put it. And then you put it right next to the smoke chamber and you push. I think I put a bit too much, but just watch the smoke detector. Takes like 15 seconds, I think. I don't know. There we go. I keep forgetting that I have a home smoke detector here. It's not connected to anything, but it's there. So I gotta get something to air it out. So let's go to my desk, get this random math packet I have. Computer there. And this is the stupidest thing I've ever done. Gotta make sure it's aired out. So stupid. It's pretty funny, honestly. Put my random math packet back here. And reset. I should not activate again. I'm just gonna make sure. And I'll show you the detector light go off. Alright. How about let's just do Chevron, then we'll turn the lights off. I'll do a quick reset of that. Where's my Allen key? There it is. Whatever. I'm just gonna turn the lights off now, so you can see the purplish orange light better. And now the ceiling light will go off. Ooh, nice and spooky. This is honestly supposed to be a Halloween light, but whatever. I don't really celebrate Christmas or Halloween. Let's pull this. Ooh. You know what? Why not? I'm gonna... There. I barely even let it go off. Kinda weird. Oh, now I'm gonna activate the smoke detector. Woo. Alright. Okay, as you can see, okay, let's go through the menu actually. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 5. Here, I'm just gonna close the panel door, turn the lights back on. Last glimpse of the system in the dark. Turn this on. Lights are back on. Get my Edwards key. Took it out of his keychain. Get my trusty X-Lock. Oh my god, it's not a good angle. Oh, that was weird. But here's the button. You can see the resistor in the back. And usually here is going to be your model number. This is the handle. There was a lot of dust in this thing when I got it. And over here it says 73. I guess this was zone 73 or address 73 on the panel. I mean, this is a conventional pole station, but it could have just been monitor moduled. And let me just get closer. Just doing that, why not? Go in. Thank you. And FBI time. They actually used to have these in an apartment building that I went to for a family member. Leave them there. Not the i3, the 2400 or set itself. And yeah. Alright guys, well, that's going to be System Test 7. I was trying to be uploading more videos for you guys. I know this is the longest video, it's 12 minutes. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye.